Let's learn how to represent a real number on a number line or a real number line. It is also called a real number line. Now, we have this real number line and we have taken a few numbers on it like -5, -4 and up to 5. Okay. Now we know that a number line is a collection of irrational numbers and rational numbers. Now, if someone asks you that how to represent this 2 on this number line, you will say that, hey, that's very simple. This is 1, this is 2. So here it is 2, we can represent it. Okay. Now if that person asks you that, let's move one step further. What about 2.7? So you will say that, hey, it is 2.7. It means that this is greater than 2 but less than 3. So now the whole story will be between 2 to 3. That is this distance between 2 3. And that is what we have represented here. Here it is 2, here it is 3, then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and then 3. You have to represent 2.7 and that comes here. Okay. Now that person says that, hey, that it's 2.7, it's only up to 10th place. Let's make it a little more complicated. Let's say that now you have to represent 2.74. Now you'll say, hey, nothing to worry, it's very simple. It's 2.74, right? It's 2.74. It means that it will be greater than 2.7, but it will be less than 2.8. Now the whole story will be between 2.7 and 2.8. That is what we have done here. Here it is 2.7, here it is 2.8. Then 2.71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 2.8. 2.79 and then 2.8. You have to represent 2.74 and that is what you have represented here. Okay. That person says, I'll make it a little more complicated. I'll go up to the thousands place. This is tenths, hundreds. Now I'll go up to the thousands place. You will say that I'll solve that also. So that person says that solve 2.746. You will say that, hey, that's very simple. We have represented 2.74. Now this 2.746 means that this number will be greater than 2.74 but will be less than 2.75. Okay. So this is 2.74. This is 2.75. Then this is 2.741, 742, 743, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2.749 and then 2.75. So you'll say that this is 2.746. Here it comes, 2.746, right? So if you're asked for one more digit, that is 2.7468, then can you solve it? Yes, of course you can. Take this as a homework. This is 2.7468. It means that this number will be greater than 2.746 but will be less than 2.747. Again, greater than 2.746 but will be less than 2.747 as we have seen here, right? So 2.7468 will come between 2.746 and 2.747. Okay, this is for your homework. And what we have done here, this representation or marking a real number on a number line is also called process of successive magnification. Process of successive magnification.